diving right into the limited edition Jolly Box from So Sampler. It comes out once a year. I know they did this last year. This may be the second or third year that they did this. If you know, go ahead and comment down below. The retail price on this on the website says $56.39, but it's marked down right now for $45.98, and it's saying on the website that you're getting over $55 worth of merchandise in here. So I have not looked at it myself. I just kind of cut the snippet here to kind of see what's going on, so you guys wouldn't see that. So let's go ahead and dive right into the box. So, of course, I say it every time, I love the pop out, kind of fills the space. It's very colorful. Let it sew, let it sew, and let it sew. Very, very clever. Of course, they have all, oh, they changed it. Never naughty, always nice. Very, very cool play on words there. So let's go ahead and dive right into the box. So on this, it says snow much savings. Again, they're just getting clever with their words. Take 25% off of all fat quarter bundles. That is pretty cool. So if you're stashing up for the season, or you're buying a gift for your loved one, that's a killer deal. I may put the promo code down in the bottom, but I love these things. They've always popped out. Really cool. All right, of course, this is the box, or this is the card that they give you all the different values in. So we're gonna place that off to the side later till the very end. Always the accordion style, but we're gonna place that off to the side. Now this is pretty cool. It's a fabric bag, drawstring with like a red ribbon, which is pretty cool. Go ahead and open this up. I hope you guys are able to see everything from this perspective. I'll pull this right out. Okay. To you from me, Moda. This is called the North Pole design. Looks like it has pre-cuts of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pre-cuts package. I am not going to unwrap this. Just like a present, I want to make sure Kia B has that opportune time to go through the fabric. But pretty cool. Has some very wintry designs here. And of course, it comes with a cool bag. Like afterwards, she's probably gonna put some different notions in there. Looks like, what does it say? Have yourself a very merry little Christmas. Hashtag the Jolly Box, which is pretty cool. Again, this was the limited box. Not saying a limited production, but this is a, I think, once per year box that they put out. I'm kind of going with the Christmas theme. Very red and white, candy cane thread. I don't know exactly what you call it, but we'll know at the very end, which is pretty cool. Of course, I've always asked this question with every video that comes with a friction pin. Thoughts, comments, concerns. This is by Friction, or Friction, erasable pin, which is pretty cool. Let's see if we can. It's a red pin, so I'm guessing you won't be able to miss it on your cuts, things like that. Always comment below about your best case scenarios on the friction pin and the not the great projects with the friction pin. Kia and I still I wouldn't say debate it, we just talk about it. Cookie cutter, a 2-piece acrylic template set, a Jolly Box exclusive. You can only get this through the Jolly Box. On the very back, kind of like a clear, kind of gives a gingerbreadish feel. Christmas tree, or a tree that's decorated. A house on there. I'm guessing it has to do with the pattern and what we're probably getting inside the box. And then looks like another friction pin. This one is green. It goes with the theme here with red and green. here, pretty cool. And then it looks like these are just tags. See if you can see that right here. It says to and from, peace on earth. Very kind of play on words there. What does it say? Bound with love. Bobbing around the Christmas tree, which is pretty cool. It's pretty corny, but that's just how we roll here. And I know Kia and I will definitely enjoy using those. All right, now this is that's what it's all about. Cookie cutter quilt pattern. It's pretty cool. I'm guessing that we're going to use that 2-piece acrylic set. Yes, that definitely uses the tree, definitely uses the house. Pretty cool, gives you what to cut. But cool, like always. I kind of missed the old cardstock from last year. I know I keep saying that. Hopefully they kind of bring that back. But very cool pattern here. And of course, I really love the box when we got it last month. Just because of my schedule, her schedule. I work in retail. Not able to drop what I'm doing and grab a couple of videos done, or do a couple of videos, but I appreciate you guys' patience. And then of course, we're gonna go through the accordion limited edition Jolly Box for 2018. The North Pole Mini Fat Quarter Bundle. So we'll kind of move a couple things off to the side here. So this is the one I said there were 6 pre-cuts here. Pretty cool. Retails for $22.98, so make it $23 there, which is pretty cool. 6 mini fat quarter bundles from Moda Fabrics, which is always wonderful to have for more Moda fabrics. And then the 2-piece acrylic set that will definitely be used for this cookie cutter quilt pattern. It's valued around $10 here at $9.98, which is pretty cool. So I'll place that right here. And then the red and green erasable pens. They're pretty cool. They're good stocking stuffers, you know. If you have too many friction pins, it would be something that you would pass on to a friend or family member, or someone that is, you know, trying to get into quilting. You know, there's things that like this that you get that you're like, oh, I should have gotten this for this person, or put a little stocking stuffer in them for them this holiday season. $3 here from Pilot Pen USA. Place it right here. And then what the fabric came in is a Merry Little Christmas collectible, which is this is probably one of my favorite pieces that we got in this box. This is pretty cool because it's reusable. It's super cute. You can use it for a lot of different things here. And of course, the Fat Quarter Shop logo on the back. Retails about $5. And then the pattern here, the cookie cutter quilt pattern here. Retails about $10 here, which is pretty cool. You get a free pattern. You got some fabric here, which is pretty cool. All right, and the Merry Stick Miss Christmas gift sticker sheet with all the cool things and saying, have yourself a merry little Christmas, baby, it's cold outside, bound with love, have you been naughty or nice? That's kind of what the whole thing through Merry Christmas or the holiday season. Bobbing around the Christmas tree, I think that's just cool. That's really nice. Put a lot of thought into that. I don't think Kia V was gonna, you know, actually use those, but you know, it's just pretty cool to have. All right, and then this 10 yards of red and white twine, which is it looks like a very vintage thing, very holiday theme. You can't necessarily open it up, and I don't really want to open it up right now. Red and white baker's twine is a classic accent to your polish off your handmade gift, which is pretty cool. I like it. And of course, just kind of wrap things up. This is the 2018 limited edition Jolly box. I looked on the website today. You can still get it, still order it. They have not ran out. Tell me what you think about this box. It says that you're over $55 in retail on this box. Of course, I enjoy the So Sampler boxes. It's the first subscription box that I've got for my wife, and that kind of started this whole thing going for this channel. And then quilting notions and things like that. So please comment below. Please let me know if you like the top-down unboxings. Trying to do something a little different for you guys and gals. Want to make sure that I am getting the feedback that you are putting down in the comment boxes. So thank you very much. I will have a couple more videos coming out, but thank you very much.